welcome to our channel, Lynn's Kashif. Today's vlogs is about me being back home at my house here in US. Today's vlog's really gonna be focusing on me getting things updated and renovated at my actual place because of course everybody I'm pretty sure is curious how is Kashif able to afford, to stay in Philippines, how many months, at a time, of course, with, no job. Well, the secret for me is I used my actual home as actual rental property. So right now I need to, make a few updates and renovations to the property. So for now I have some flooring that I purchased from my local, hardware shop. So I'm gonna have, new floors installed in my actual house. So these are the pieces here I need to unload and the material and everything. Okay, so this is the indoor garage area here. This technically in here can be another bedroom, or it can be a man cave, which I had it for when I was staying here at the time. So this area here. Here's the backyard. Like I said, I stay on the actual corner lot, so of course it's already fenced off. My actual backyard here. Inside, guys, the style of my actual home. So of course, there's a built-in fireplace here. Started unloading some of the tiles here. So pretty much the idea is, guys, I'm going to remove this, the floor here. They call it linoleum. Remove this and put actual tiles, similar to Philippine style tiles all in here instead. Because over time, wear and tear in this, it begins to shift the actual material. So I can see myself changing that. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but this is getting loose here. So in time, this will start peeling and moving. So I need to put some tiles here to be nice and presentable. So all you need to do is just mop it and that's it. But yeah, so of course it's my appliances here. So get an idea how it all looks in here. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much what I've kind of been up to. Same thing here, guys. Going to change the bathroom here. Going to move this floor in here, put tiles in it and everything. So of course, got to touch up some paint job because again, this was the time when people might have hung up pictures. So of course, you got to kind of paint over that. So that's one of the tasks I need to do on my off day. This is on the bedroom here. Okay, another bedroom here. I guess my tenant stayed here. They preferred the bedroom to be in this particular room, I guess. This is the main, big bedroom is this one. So, yeah, and then my next bathroom is here. So, yeah, so again, I'm gonna move this out, this flooring out and put tiles here. So make it really nice. So it kind of will match with this in contrast to the floor. So, yeah, so this is the overall look. Of course, if you want to get your face together here, this is perfect. Middle mirror here that you can rotate and see your face. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. Just want to give at least a little update for me here in the States. So a little bit busy, but this is stuff that I got to do in preparation, before I go back to Philippines as being my, source of income while I'm abroad. So once again, thank you all for watching. This is Kashif from Lynn's Kashif. So again, I hope you guys have a great day there. Of course, thanks for watching and the continued love and support of our channel. Till next time, guys, see ya. And like I said, at my return to Philippines, I'll probably be returning, during New Year. So end of December, like 30th, and then I'll arrive in Philippines like the 31st or before the 1st of January of 2025. Okay, take care.